Hello and welcome to the next video in straight lines, where we look at length and area of line segments. So the distance between 2 points A and B is the length of the line joining them and is found using Pythagoras Theorem. So Pythagoras Theorem basically looks at a right angle triangle, and obviously you've got A, B and C, and obviously if you remember from GCSE, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, in the xy sort of plane, we've got coordinates. We don't have values like length explicitly done for us. So you'd have x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay? And to find the length between them, what you need to do is to find out these lengths A and B and then do Pythagoras for those distances. Now this length here, A, this horizontal distance, that's the difference between x2 and x1. Okay, so x1 minus x2 squared, or x2 minus x1 squared. And this vertical distance is the difference between y1 and y2. So that's y1 minus y2 squared. And you can see the analogy with Pythagoras, that the length AB would be the square root of those differences. Okay. So using that information, find the length of line joining A and B, and then the area of the triangle ABC. So if I look at this, length of AB, I could just use my formula straight away. So I'm going to call this x1, I'm going to call this y1, x2, y2. Okay, so I'm going to do x1 minus x2, so 1 minus 5 squared, and y1 minus y2, 2 minus 5 squared. So 1 minus 5 squared, that's minus 4 squared, and 2 minus 5 squared, that's minus 3 squared. 16 plus 9 root 25, which is equal to 5. That is the length of the line joining A and B. So what's the area of the triangle? Well, the area of the triangle is half base times height. So if I think about that, my base would be the physical distance between A and C. Okay? And C is given as coordinate 5, 2. Okay, so that's my coordinate 5, 2. So the distance from A to C, that distance is 4. So the base length is 4, and the height is 3. Yeah, from 2 to 5. So 4 times 3 is 12, times a half, 6. So the area is 6 units squared. Okay, so that's question 1, length and area. Fairly straightforward, not too difficult. One's using formula, the other one's also using formula, but looking at the graph. Right, this one here, similar sort of question. Find the length of the line joining these 2 points and the area of the triangle ABC. So again, I'm going to use my length formula, x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. I like to quote the formula out because then at least I know I'm on the right line. x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 minus x2, so minus 3 minus 4, plus y1 minus y2, 2 minus minus 5. So I've got minus 3 minus 4, which is minus 7 squared, and I've got 2 minus 5, which is 7 squared. So it's 49 plus 49, okay, which is root 98. Right. So that's the answer for the length of the line, and then we've got to find the area of the triangle ABC. So similarly, I've got the right angle here. Okay, point C is 4, 2. Okay, and point B is 4 minus 5, and point A is minus 3, 2. So if I look at that, the base of this right angle triangle, okay, the base of the right angle triangle would be this distance here, which is 7, half base times height, and the height of the triangle will also be 7. So it's 49 over 2 units squared. Okay, so that is the area of the triangle ABC. Now, obviously these concepts might seem quite easy on the face of it. There are some practice questions outlined at the bottom of the page. If you found that really easy, then obviously the stretch and challenge questions are given there as well. You will see the concepts of length and not so much area, but you definitely see the concept of length coming in later on. Okay, that's the end of the video.